Businesses go back to normal trade after the festive season. Rising food and inflation are likely to lead to thousands of starving citizens in Zimbabwe. That's according to the Famine Early Warning Systems Network. In its latest report, USAID, the provider of the early warning and food insecurity analysis, says the situation is going to only get worse. So with the latest from inside Zimbabwe, here's eNCA correspondent Pindai Dube.
In its latest report, Famine Early Warning Systems Network, FuseNet, says prices of basic food and other commodities are likely to continue rising in 2023, further reducing the market access for poor households. Zimbabwe's inflation rate is currently sitting at 243.8%, the highest in the world. Economists believe the FuseNet report is on point as Zimbabwe is sitting on a hyperinflationary economy.
It's in line with even analysis from the World Bank, which actually shows that Zimbabwe is the highest food inflation in the world. So because of the depressed agricultural production last year, we have seen pressure on price of basic food in the country.
According to the FuseNet report, widespread prolonged power cuts have negatively impacted the economy, and this has further worsened the plight of ordinary person on the street. Civic society groups described the plight of poor Zimbabweans as disastrous.
It is a disaster. Unfortunately, this is going to cause many challenges, job losses. We're going to see many companies closing because they can't cope with reduced productivity.
The Confederation of Zimbabwe Retailers also says power cuts had a major impact on businesses.
At the end of the year, we saw power supply issues. Those impacted quite negatively, especially on formal business. Costs escalated by more than 40%.
Zimbabwe, which has suffered bouts of hyperinflation in the past 15 years, has more than $10 billion in external debt, and it's mostly in arrears in terms of payments. Pindai Dube, Harare.